Yes. Yeah. Good evening, all. So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear, right? Whether the screen is visible or not? Yes. Yeah. So yesterday just we had an introductory session, right? We had a so I was just briefing like why Python. So just I'll take 5 minutes what we have discussed in the last day session, right? So Python is a general purpose programming. Any kind of applications we can develop today by using Python. That's the reason we call it as general purpose programming. Multi-programming features, what all the features we see in different other programming languages, all the features we see in Python, right? That's the reason we call Python is a hybrid language. It's a high-level language, easily understandable, portable, and can run on all the hardware and all the operating system. Interpreted language. Python is an interpretation language and user-friendly programming language. It is a user-friendly programming. Yes. So general purpose programming, multi-programming features it has got. It's high-level language and interpretation language, statement by statement execution, right? And user-friendly or programmer-friendly, which provides simple syntaxes, right? Which look like normal English statements. Okay, so just observe this. Two types of languages, low-level and high-level languages. Low-level languages like assembly level language or machine level languages, right? They are not human understandable. They are not portable. They are machine dependent. See, they cannot be, the code cannot be carried from one system to another system. They are not portable. Machine dependent. They cannot run on all the hardware and all the operating system. And they are not human understandable, right? Yes. Right. So, but high level language like Python, right, looks like normal English statements. They are human understandable, they are portable, and machine independent. They can run on all the hardware and all the operating system. Python has got programming features like C language, has got like object-oriented programming features like plus Java, has got like scripting features like has got like modular features, modular, right? 89,300 inbuilt modules Python has got for different environment. Okay. So two programming languages, Python and Java. But the Java programmers or developers are strictly restricted to use only object-oriented programming. Without object-oriented programming, you cannot write a Java program or application. But using Python, we can use any of these features. And Python is one of the scripting varieties of base and automate scripts. And also model for different environments. Data modules and modules are provided for even for big data, modules for type module for networking, for operating system, for each and every database. Separate modules Python is providing for MySQL, for SQLs for Oracle. For each every database module, every file format, Python is providing a separate model using we can read data into this mathematical operations for statistical operations, generating graphs, any types of graphs we can generate by using Python. In today's session, I'll be showing you graphs in Python examples, right? And what kind of applications we can develop today by using Python. Python mostly used in developing applications today. Rapid speed, you can develop application using this frameworks like Gem has got it flexible, has got its own application server. automating using things like data science, IoT, and DevOps, right? So thanks, so talk about machine deep learning, right? All the techniques, machine learning, deep learning techniques to build code. We require like Python is the mostly chosen, mostly used programming for that. Even for writing automation scripts in this IoT, robotics, right? It's mostly even for big data, processing, country, tools, Spark, APIs, right? Implemented by Spark, we say, human learn for NumPy, no local interfaces like T and IQT. The game development, we are writing separate frameworks, single user, multi-user, and games like that. Framework like PyPy, rendering library like PySci for 3D games, for test cases, for scheduling tasks, for software development, Python script, for applications, developing e-commerce website, Python is one of the best choice. For dev applications, there is web application database, and with any database for network applications, twist Python. The framework of Python, develop applications for the program, for web snapping data from friend sites, like URL, examples for this. Embedded applications, the most famous embedded Raspberry Pi, which is like for its computation. Applications are 3D applications, CAD 3D CAD applications, right? And video applications. Many video applications developed by using computer vision for face detection, color detection, these options. Python is preferred. For analysis, for desktop single console application, right? Python is preferred. So the companies using Python, the top applications using Python. Google using Python for its website. Yahoo using Python. YouTube using Python for its video things. Facebook using Python. Instagram building Python. Primary Instagram choosing Python is Python features. Using for research and development techniques. Uber pricing algorithm implemented using Python learning. Quora, Reddit, Pinterest, Dropbox, they are built using Python. Netflix using Python for security and kind of splitting stress. Mali multiplayer online games. Maya, a powerful 3 which is Python script. Using Python companies like IBM, CA, Qualcomm, all they are using Python for hardware testing purpose. So this was just in the station. Reason making sudden super popular. It was introduced in the year 19. Why all of a sudden Python has got suddenly why it is super popular means very less, not even 1/4 coding as compared to programming language. Simple access given by Python as compared to programming languages. Interactive isn't with by statement. For every statement you give response, right? Multi-programming features, and other programming, so all features we see. Varieties of applications, right? Like just now I did a lot of applications, right? Different applications, animation applications, network applications, right? Many built in like 9,300 built Python as a different environment. So it's a reason which makes it super popular, right? And raise this. So Python comparison with compare program language. I'll take a task and I'll write my task in my program language. Simple Python is compared with other programs. From non-programming at zero programming, you can just check couple dozen statements. And then you'll understand right what are the difference as compared with but not even 1/4 code I'm saying as compared to that program is right. So it's accessing class from the user keyboard. User keyboard performing addition, right? Accepting class user keyboard, performing addition. Start right using Java. Start right in Java like using them. So if you're not in Java, right, you can just check follow code. Import class sample. Inputs new instrument. Input string buffer system.out.println. Enter the first number. Enter the first number. What number you enter, right? Take a string format. By default, whatever number you enter, default take a string. I need to convert to into integer. Let's say %. In the %. system dot println enter we are dot reline it dot point says the next again say enter number. Finally saying system dot println. I play channel access for this. Closing this. I'll just take 2 minutes showing in both Python and Java. Just this is the code. I'm copying this to a notepad. Yes. I'm saving it. I'm creating a folder for the patch within the C drive. 90 patch. Sample.java. I'm saving it as sample.java. Now go to the command prompt. Here, cd stop this existing path, change directory. This Python 90 patch where I'll be saving all my program code. No, Java. Any errors are there, errors here, we can see the code. So yes. So here br dot readline l capital Linux line. Yes, also this string also should be enough. It should be enough cases. Re-execute line. Not say that br dot readline. Readline. Br readline. Yes. No, there are no errors. Now say Java sample. And the error the second number don't take me. Because the first mention I don't know if you understood this query. It's a little complex to write this one. In every step, we got some like what is class, what is public statement, what is IO exception, one stream reader, what is buffer here, what is so in every statement, one complex word. And that too, you can see that code into a line code. The same element by the lines. The simple statements normally help in this kind of code in that. The next class installation by download starting. Now check this. Just type my value on. In function, you putting the value of x, enter value of x. Okay, input value for x and type in value. Bit of all the necessary statements as with Java. Print the enter value, I value, this is the code in Python. For a task, what we have, right? A lot of words people are non-programming see that code. It's not understandable. It's understandable what's happening in each for entering the next y and value will be stored in the text. Okay, this is storing in this Python language, right? Just one dot with dot py extension, right? But here also in Python, just like Java, what we take as by int. This entire statement they later I discussed typing, but I don't know this entire Java is integer int, just int. Before as and put it into integer yes. Run this module. Of x simple. There's no way one more to make yourself observe of values 30 and 40. Print this as this. So think like some 100 sections are as part of the square bracket. You know the total revenue generated is 100 transactions, which is the max transaction is the total number of transactions to compute the current len of x with len of number of elements. If I want to know the max one, say max of x, which is the main in this things. Even which is the min of no write any like other points. If you want the total sum of the 30 10 plus sum of x. Check the puts once. Test it. I want to in the particular run this. Can you see number of elements? Max is 50. Instead, all this one from 150. I want to arrange all the elements in ascending order. Arranging all the in ascending. You got ascending. If you want in descending or subtraction things that of it, but you will get in ascending, right? If you want in descending, by default, you can ascending, descending. You got ascending. Yes, sir. Right? Can we write that? Yes. Yes. Notepad dot create and execute. In the next class, I'll be discussing different of executing Python statements.
Okay.
Using IDs, using editors, you can using IDs, you can.
Notepad, right?
What is Notepad also? Not also included .py and you can execute.
Now I'm saying you are using Notepad, right?
This is not Notepad. You don't have this run.
Okay. So this is what?
This Python given ID.
Okay.
Whenever you install Python, you will get this thing, right?
Okay.
So where itself you can execute. But Notepad is not a Python related. It's a normal text editor.
Okay.
Here you see this thing. If I reverse, let's check it. Can someone?
I think for me it's okay. Think.
Fine. So if I add a new element to the want I want to append a new element of 60. Yes. Yeah, I append. Like this new element, normal English append a new element 60 got added. You want to remove an element from this, from the X list, I remove which element? 40. That's it. 40 remove directly. Anyway, many functions are there. Modules build modules and functions. Given by thousands of functions Python is providing. So 40 got removed, right? Yes. You want to see the what modules Python. I'll say I'm going to use math module. You want to see this present within this math module, right? DIR math, you can say. DIR of math. This is the run module. All these properties of math. Pi, radians, and right, mod f, sine, square root, tan. There's variable like key. There is a variable pi. I want to print math. Within the math, there's a variable like pi. Within the math module, like you want to print these values. Math.pi, math.ep. Run the module. 3.4, 2.7. For example, there's a square root function here. For example, how to use this, how to with that particular functionality. I want help like function, help on math dot. Within the math, SUR and use the general format is going to help you with this. That function root in the math is saying to root, provide one value. Clearly, I return the square root of it. It is going to return the square root. Clearly, it is saying dot SURT, provide one 16. If you're providing one value, it is square root of 16. What's square root of 16? 4. Yes. Yeah. 1 second. 1 second. Similarly, general function got help function, it's what you with the syntaxes. Function like POW. You don't know how to use POW, power function. Help on math dot POW like this. POW. Help on built-in function POW in math. It asking to provide two values. Return approximately in Python. Clearly x to the power of 5. It is asking you provide two values, x to the power of 5. So the dot POW, then come up to the power will return by 1000. So in this way, can get number 1000 is output. I said rendering blocks in Python is also very important here. You see any complex words here, not a single word. Like of math.i, help on this. Even generating knowledge in Python, just very simple, it is generating graphs. For generating graphs, we have got a math portal. This is module for generating graphs. Within this, we have got a lot of functionality. See, every time we need to math. Also, every time we need to, instead of using this very big name, I can use alias name shortcut as TLT. So I'm using TLT. Plot y coordinates, right? So to plot off list of x coordinates, y coordinate values. Think 2, 3 are random values. These are x coordinates. Similarly, y equals 574 and taking some randoms. That's it. Plot it off. That's it. Just lines. Plotting x coordinate, y coordinates, PLT dot. Run modify. Just 1 minute. This values for one showing 5. For 2 it is showing 7. For 3, 4, right? You got a solid graph in blue color. And blue color, I want different. I doesn't want solid graph. I want some dot style. Just to give compare give now format. And color I doesn't want to blue and color like green color. Very simple. Many you can up to the graph. And see in color. That format not like even instead of plot if I the graph is generated. Histogram generated. I use scatter here. Scatter plot will generate. In this way, what simple functions getting graphs also. One example like generating pie graph. Simple generating a pie graph here. Right? I want to analyze what the mobile particular product sales, mobile sales of mobiles. The names of the mobile Samsung, Vivo, Oppo, OnePlus. What's the names of the mobiles? And sales are like this. Samsung, Vivo. These are the August. So of region. Just say PIE based on August sales and then I want labels. In the mobile names only as the labels, right? So do you see any complex word here? Mobile names, some labels as well. Yeah, let's check this. Run one with the different colors. A default can check it here. Samsung has got more next Oppo has more cells. Vivo in this way drops right here. Sample section coding 5 outputs, right? So yes. Content from that ground level to the level in brief we'll be discussing Python basics, operations, operators, ID, strings, collections, Python lists, tuples, sets, lists, functions, modules, packages, errors and exceptions, and object components, regular expressions, base connections, installation database, Python date and time module, OS module, advanced concepts, graphic tuning, data analytics, collection is data science, first module in brief, NumPy module in brief, macroly module in brief, right? This particular Python for once around 2 months graduation for this. 5,000 is supposed to be the framework. People who want to go for Python full stack, Django frameworks of Django installation, project applications, Django templates, admin models, right? Apart from UI technologies, HTML in brief, CSS in brief, JavaScript, MySQL, right? Everything's will be discussed. This right? Yes. For Python, like nearly 60 to 70 hours. 2 months duration, 5,000 is a course. UI technologies, HTML, Java means for Python, for UI technologies, Django framework, Lang framework, basic and a project.
Sir, what is Python GUI? Is there anything Python GUI?
Yes, I said right here. You can see UI. UI program, graphical user interface.
Okay.
Graphical is a graphic format where we'll be discussing. So topics from 2 to 6 also it takes nearly 70 hours. Python 70 hours, framework 70 hours, totally 140 hours. 2 months and 2 months for this, totally 4 months duration for Python full stack. People who go for it. 5,000 for Python, 7,000 for this, right? Totally 12,000. But total you are taking full stack package with a single payment 10K. The timings of this batch, making it clear, 1 week it will be 9 p.m. It will be from 8 p.m. to 9. Often from my side, we're getting each session video, soft copy of this class notes, it's clear notes, everything, and task work, a WhatsApp group for questions, all the normal things once we start it. For every statement, I'll be typing, you'll be responding with the Python interactive mode. Plus, for example, we discuss as part of this application. More big data and data engineering, right? like PySpark, Linux, this code advanced 2 months old, right? This Python I will be attending from Monday to Friday. The same batch having a batch of mine. But this will be a batch. On Saturday and Sundays, we will be having classes on this. Maybe for 4 weekends. 15,000 is the course fee which covers all this PySpark, Linux, and Python. This Saturday is tomorrow at least. You can attend the demo. In the contact details of the online start panel, the duration of the class, daily work Monday to Friday. If any of your session, right, you can set a demo one. Yesterday session means you can check the chart they have provided demo one, right? Link for
Sir,
the
sir,
and
this 1 hour is enough because 30 days, sir. So total 20 days only class.
second. So all the Saturdays, some Saturdays I'll be taking sessions. I'll be pre-intimating it. So
Okay.
around 2 months and there's 10, 15 days like, but like around 2 months.
Okay, so 20th February started. April 20 we will finish.
Hey, I already done 2 weeks, 14 days.
Okay.
And Python was separate trains. One day got Python, one advanced Python. So
Okay.
we measure the subject, right? It is a language. Yes, so keeps going like around 2 to 2 and 2 hours. Some
Okay. Okay.
sessions Saturdays are sessions, right? Some of time the last is a bigger sessions, right? Wait, wait, about it.
Hi, sir.
Right.
Sir, so the topics, how teacher will be studying them, like the object programming all.
So the only whatever I provided are the headings of it. Will be discussing in break photos.
Okay.
So totally by the point, I said it's not like 40, 45 hours by so not like that like other language 1.5 months with 45 hours, 70 hours we will be getting English knowledge about all this.
Okay. Thank
So
you.
that are two I will be discussing procedure oriented Python, object oriented Python, modular program Python scripting. All this will be covered as part of this.
Okay. Thank you.
So
So how the classes are like you will be teaching, but this how will you teaching it concepts?
so
like
here so okay. So whenever you go to the right, yes. Each of typing and you think that pre-written things and explain to you see everything a single statement, whatever I've been in show. When it is then you can ask person then this can make an of your I know you follow, but I make an also. You know I'll be
any book to refer, sir, basic stuff.
see one second. Whatever notes I'm following is more than enough. If you are able to one second. This any notes right? Pattern total notes for topics for why beginning this. 30 topics more than those.
These are concepts, so it is inside.
Yes,
With okay.
in this it will be there, right? Everything will be included in that. For
Okay.
example, any topic if you open, right, you can see this post.
Yeah.
That to whichever you want, you can open and
As notes and other okay. Got it.
for anything. Yes, this is SQL operation, creating a data operation, deleting table matching or by inserting a transaction management database connecting to Oracle. Like in this way, you can open whichever you want. Matching to Oracle and just open. Matching tables and this is this will be seeing a lot of other things. You see, object-oriented programming. Someone asked object-oriented part 1, part 2, in this way. Oops, encapsulation, oops, intelligence, mark this. This parts.
So it's networking programming or something is there like a client application. So I'm looking. So if I need to do automation, server is there. I want to push some of the packages or something to the clients. So then have any concepts?
This network programming that is not included in that. This.
Okay.
Okay. So next class will be on Monday. Will be any class. Monday to Friday class will be. Next class will be Monday, same timing at 9 o'clock. You the same. Today we'll be seeing with the actual things, right? Python foundation, Python is downloading, Python is different modes of executions, like interactive mode, batch mode, filters, working with IDs, showing you the step by step how to download, how to install. Okay. So if I'm done with your queries, we'll sign off on Monday, same timing and same. Thank you all the times. Is all right. Internship certificate will be for the workplace. Certificate will be one in those. Fine. Yeah. Good evening, all. So myself, I'm Vijay. Like I hold this of experience, which includes nearly 10 plus years of experience in development. My experience includes development and implementation of Python and Django-based applications, well-versed in implementing different Python libraries like NumPy, the table, Floatlib, right? So before I start, can anyone confirm my voice is clear? Screen is visible or not? Anyone please confirm when my voice is clear? The screen is visible or not? Yes, fine. Thank you. Yes, I got enough. Thank you. And so part of demo will be covering the following things. So if you got anybody generally giving for you at the end of the session, right? And at the end of the session, we'll be briefing you about the code, course and course details, right? So, fine. Starting with why Python. It's not a kind of technology very recently introduced. It was introduced in the year 1989. All of us in Python got the great book. Reasons which makes Python suddenly super popular. And learn Python. There's no people learn it. Anyone can update with Python, right? Python statements look like normal English statements. They're not as complex as the programming languages. And how Python was built by taking the features and advantages from other programming languages. So it has taken some features or some advantages from one programming and some other features and advantages from the programming. In this way, multiple languages it has taken Python kind of applications we're developing by UI, most used for developing what kind of applications. Then they deploy Python. Most applications built Python, companies using Python, and Python compared with other programming languages, probably in Python, which you in other programming languages. And one by one reasons which Python is suddenly super popular, which makes Python super popular, and why most Python using today. Python is implementing different high-end technologies also, right? And what is the job market Python? What is the scope of Python in the coming years? What is the current market, right? So this is what I'll discuss in this session. Starting with Python. Python I define in 5 lines. It is a general purpose programming. I say general purpose program. What do you mean general purpose programming? Right? Before Python, there are programming languages like before this programming languages like L, Fortran, Cobol. These are languages, purpose-based languages. These are purpose-based. They use for a specific purpose, not all the purpose. This program so Pascal for complicated applications, for scientific applications, for business applications. These are purpose-based languages used for a specific purpose. But language which is suitable to develop any kind of application, a language called general purpose programming. Language which is suitable for developing any kind of application, such a language as general purpose programming. So Python is such kind of programming where any kind of applications we can develop today by Python, like web applications, automation applications, gaming applications, networking applications, destination. In the wide varieties of applications we can develop by using Python. Multi-programming features. What all features you see in different other programming languages? What all the features you see in different other languages? All the features you are going to see in Python are taken as a set of these multiple features. We call Python as a language. We call Python a high language. High level language. What is high level language? There are two types of languages. Two languages. Two of languages. Two languages. Low languages and high languages.